Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Right behind me is located 2005 Toyota Sequoia SR5. And this is the part I was researching and waiting for a while. It's that stereo system JBL amplifier. I will be installing it right now in the place. If you want to see how that's done, stay with me in this video. Now these Sequoias and Tundras, which had JBL stereo system, were equipped differently through the years. In beginning, this amplifier was analog and later it became a digital one. I have the digital one and I show you. Alright, so if it was the older system, the amplifier was actually behind that panel underneath the radio, which is missing right now, right? Don't get confused. I'm still waiting for that 6 CD changer. It's in the mail. And the amplifier is underneath this center console. So this is what I have to remove right now. And I will normally start with removing that plastic fastener. It's supposed to be right here, but as you can see, that's missing, so I have one step less to deal with. But it's present here on the other side, so how I will remove it? Phillips screwdriver right in middle, holding it there. As you can see, it kind of popped off, and you can nicely pull the whole thing away. So I'm done in this area, and now I will move inside of this box. And you will see two 10mm screws, so I will remove those. My next step is to remove this entire tray, and that's pretty easy. I will just pry it out. Let me show you. Here is the tool, right? And I carefully put it underneath it and lift it, right? And it's very easy. It's in front and in the back. See those yellow tabs, and voila, we already can see the area where the amplifier is going. My next step to get to those connectors is to remove this area, the black one, right? And that's easy. You just lift it carefully again, right? I grab it like that, sew it here, and it's going on the side. Just be careful, right, that you don't rip this connector for the outside mirrors. And this plastic opening right here, it's not big enough, so I will loosen or remove basically for some kind of play. I will remove these two screws and these two 10mm screws. And as you can imagine, everything should be loose suddenly, right? There should be a lot of play, and I should be able easily use my other hand and install that amplifier. So let's go and do that. And if I'm correct, that should go up nicely, right? Yep. And because everything is loose, I can carefully start placing it down the amplifier without pinching any wires, right? I need to pay attention here for those mirrors and carefully place it down in this area. Oh yeah. I had to put that camcorder down and use my both hands, but you see the details of this mount, right? It's missing that screw. It will be again 10mm, and here is the second mount. So this is the whole installation, and I need to go get 2 screws. Both screws in the place, right? Fasteners and the connectors nicely hooked right here. They nicely clicked inside. It was the right model. I can start putting everything back. This work always includes a lot of cleaning around because people spill the drinks, right? The beverages from those cup holders, and it's always all over. This was very dirty when I got it. Of course, the seller didn't clean it, so I cleaned most of it off, but you can see reminding right here in this connector. You see that brown stuff? I bet you that was Coca-Cola. So I just went backwards, right, doing that, and this is the last panel which needs to be put back, right, which is great, right, because popping this, if you was buying the vehicle used one, the radio wasn't playing right, you can immediately confirm just lifting this if the amplifier is even there or somebody removed that. And how lovely it will be to put the radio on, right, and see if that amplifier works and enjoy the sound. But the radio is missing, as you saw. Even the speakers in the doors are missing. This Sequoia was in really bad shape. But the radio should be here tomorrow or day after. And of course, I will also make video how to install it. So please, make sure you are subscribed, you don't miss any of those. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.